On my honor, I promise to explore and learn something new every day. I will finish what I start and wear each skill like a badge of honor. The unknown will not daunt me, for my confidence grows when I step out of my comfort zone. On my honor, I promise to never be boxed in by what the world thinks is impossible. Inspiration is everywhere, and I'll always be on the lookout. I will express myself without any fear of judgment. I will make mistakes, but will also learn from them. On my honor, I will be kind to others and to myself. I am a DIYer, and I'll always be ready to help.